Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Private Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development, and robotics. In this video, I will continue the basics for MongoDB and Python. Let's start. Next one is delete. This is again easy. PyMongo. Import PyMongo library. Pass the connection string, Mongo client. Choose the database. Choose the collection. Now let's see. Delete underscore 1. The document which contains name as John. So we have only one John here. So the document which contains name as John, it will be deleted using this delete one. You just have to pass the query like this, name John. So if you want to delete according to age, you can pass age 35. I will run this and one document will be deleted. So let's see, 8 documents, now 7 documents, John is gone. This is how you delete record. Remember, after deleting the record, you cannot recover it. So this is delete 1. Let's go to delete multiple documents with delete underscore many. So whenever it finds the age is greater than 30, it will delete all records where age is more than 30. This is what this is. Simple, only one argument. So let's see, age more than 30. Only Amit will be safe here. All the other records will be gone. Okay, so let's see, only Amit is left because we have used the criteria delete all records where age is more than 30. So this is delete 1, this is delete many. And remember to close the connection with the client at last. Why? Because in MongoDB, if you don't close the connection, it will take your server down and you will get server down error. So if you open the connection like this using Mongo client, then remember to close the connection at last. If you see here also in update, I have mentioned this client.close. In insert also client.close before exiting the program. You can force exit the program like this using code. And in main also. Okay, so in main I have not used it. I will add this again in the main. I will show you one this again this simple MongoDB shell. Here what you can do is run those commands that I was running here, like if you want to find some record, you can pass in brackets what you need. So name John, so let's see what kind of data we have. We have Amit only here. So we got this one record here. Okay, so we got one record in Mongo sh here like this. You can even run update delete commands here. So update delete all the commands here, and I will show you one easy way if you want to learn basics about MongoDB. MongoDB shell basic commands. So look at this. To insert a document into a collection, dot insert. So you can just write. So the syntax is to pass db dot collection name. So here you can see the collection name is demo, and then to insert you can write like this and pass the document or the search string like this. So here we have name John available. So you can what you can do is insert and some new data like this, age 40, and one thing it is saying again, see what is happening here. I told you the chat GPT was trained on previous code, so this is not the latest model 4.0. So what this MongoDB is saying is deprecation warning, collection.insert is deprecated, use insert one, insert many, or bulk write. So what it is saying is instead of insert, use insert one. See, we are not getting any error now, and it has perfectly inserted the record here in the similar manner. But I told you, if you use ChatGPT, you cannot create production systems, but you can learn about creating the projects and some basics, but you cannot deploy production level systems with ChatGPT. So this is find format. To format the output you can use this, and to update, again this is giving old code, update one, update many, like this you have to pass. Delete the document, again the old code. Count documents. So let's see this one, count. Let's see this one. See, again see old code. ChatGPT is giving old code. What now you should use is count documents. It is working fine now. 3. Let's see. Yes, we have 3 documents here. So you can use this count method, so that you will get how many documents you have in the collection. So this is the real world use case if you want to use it. To drop the collection, I will tell you how to drop the collection the easiest way. So demo, this is demo collection, right click, drop collection, demo, drop collection. Collection is now gone. You can always click here and refresh database to see the new collections here. So this is MongoDB shell that you can use to practice and run commands. Second option I will show you is, let's see, aggregation pipeline. So when to use aggregation pipelines and how to use these aggregation pipelines, why you need aggregation pipelines. Look at this. You have multiple collections available, for example users, comments, and if you want to connect these together, you can use aggregation pipeline. I will not go deep into this, but I will just give you overview how to run the aggregation pipelines. So this will be not be the best way to gather the data, user data. So if I run like this, it will not be the best way. Best way is to run the aggregation pipeline, because it will give you the results in milliseconds, first thing, and it will also help you to reduce the complexity by building a pipeline, aggregation pipeline. So how it looks like: aggregations, go to aggregations tab, text. Now let's see, in this square brackets, you can start writing the pipeline like this. This is what is called pipeline because it will go step by step when you move step by step like this. So why? Again why? If you run find or find one, what it will do is fetch all the data. It will fetch all the data. But for example, we need only the email ID or name of all the users, or just email ID for all the users. Okay, so let's go with name and email. So in the real world, if you want to send the email to all of your users, then you can create aggregation pipeline like this. So you don't have to worry about the code. If you write $match here and click on enter, it will automatically create the structure for you so that you can write your query. Then I will write name empty. So there is no record with the name empty. Let's look at some other one. I will copy this John Bishop here, copy, and what I'm looking at is name John Bishop. See, all the records for John Bishop only has been fetched. This is how you write aggregation pipeline. So next thing is the text comments only. So let's see if we need only text comments from this system, what it will help with. So data transfer charges will be charged by AWS Cloud, Google Cloud and Azure. They will charge you for data transfer. So make sure you fetch only the data you need so that you can save your money. So we need only text right now. So comma and project. What we need to project is just the text for now. So you write like this, text 1. So what will happen is it will give the data, but only the required data you want. So I told it that I need text only. I can even skip this underscore ID because it will not be relevant for the purpose. So see, now I am getting text only. So this is MongoDB pipeline. You can go deeply into it if you want, but I am just giving you the overview how things work in real world. And why I am telling you aggregation pipeline? To save money. If you want to save money, then use aggregation pipeline, because you will fetch only the data you need and not all the data from the database. So rather than fetching 100 MB of data from the database, you can fetch only 1 or 2 MB of data. So it will reduce your server cost and save you money. Let's see another one. So ID 0, ID will not come now, but if I need name and email to send the emails to all these people, name and email like this, comma separated one by one like this. So what I am getting now is just the name and email, and what it is doing is matching the John Bishop. So I can remove it like commenting this, or just remove this match. Now what it will do is not match, or it will see all the documents and then return name and email only from those documents like this aggregation pipeline. Sometimes you will face this issue that if I remove this and I will get this kind of error. You can use ChatGPT to help you out. Let's see, fix Mongo aggregation, and it will help you out to fix these kind of errors, bracket errors and a little bit of this. See, now let's see if I copy this, paste this here, my error is gone. So you can use ChatGPT also to verify the syntax and structure. This marks the completion of basics of MongoDB and Python. I will see you in next session. Have a nice day.